If you ever have a car when you're driving down the road that's making noise, it may be due to tire wear. When you look at this tire and you see the shoulders or the outside edges of the tread are worn down and the center patch still has a lot of rubber, this is indicative of underinflation. When you see a tire like this, where the tread is wearing in a scallop pattern, kind of like a cheese grater, that could be indicative of an alignment problem and a lot of vibration in the vehicle while you're driving. When you see a tire like this, where the center of the tire is bald, but the outside shoulders have a lot of rubber on it, that could be caused from overinflation, making the center of the tire wear quickly and still giving you noise. And lastly, if you have a tire like this, it doesn't take much to know that this person drove this tire all the way down to nothing, to zero, with steel starting to come out. All these are things we can check for you at the dealership and tell you if you need tires or what we can do to correct why the tires are wearing too fast.